Easy to install replacement cartridges for your Small World filters. High-quality carbon zeolite cartridge for chemical filtration and a foam block filter for mechanical biological filtration. Clears discoloration and removes harmful contaminants odors. Ensures you have replacement cartridges when you need them. Penn-Plax presents the Small World Replacement Aquarium Filter Media Cartridges. These media cartridges are specifically designed for small word filters, model SWF1, allowing for simple and easy media replenishment, and are for aquariums, tanks, and habitats up to 5 gallons. Cartridges come in a 2-pack. Furthermore, they're safe for both freshwater and saltwater setups. Carbon zeolite mixture. Supercharged with scientifically formulated carbon and zeolite crystals, these replacement cartridges absorb ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and phosphates in a fast and timely manner, along with removing harmful chemicals and toxins, clearing up discolorations, and reducing foul odors from your aquarium, tank, or habitat. BioSponge. In addition to the carbon and zeolite crystals, these replacement media cartridges also contain a biosponge for physical filtration of larger particulate matter, and biological filtration that optimizes the colonization of anaerobic bacteria. Cleaning maintenance. Before placing into your aquarium, tank, or habitat, please briefly rinse the media cartridge with warm water in order to remove carbon or zeolite dust. If not done before installation, the water could initially become dark or cloudy. Please note, the Small World Replacement Media Cartridges, SWF1C, do not come with a filter, air tubing, or an air pump, all sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Penn-Plax Filter Kit. I ordered the full kit that comes with the air pump. It comes with a valve so you can adjust the flow. I think it will work great when I get my new betta since they don't like a lot of water movement. The pump is small and super quiet. I have it in my bedroom and have no trouble sleeping with it running. The ceiling fan actually makes more noise. The setup was super quick and easy. I did have to order a check valve to go with it as I have the pump lower than the tank, but they are super cheap and easy to find online. The only thing I would change would be to make the filter cartridges open so you can change out the media, but other reviews have said they are easy to modify so it shouldn't be an issue. My bowl is approximately 3 gallons and it doesn't take up much space, still plenty of room for plants and decor. My water is a little cloudy right now but it is still cycling.